The other big story that we're tracking for you today, there has been some reports of serious foul play in the Jat agitation. The former Haryana Chief Minister's aide, Virender Singh, is absconding. He is accused of provoking the violence. Now, after the state police filed a case of sedition against him for allegedly instigating protests during the Jat Kota agitation, Times Now tried to track Virender Singh, but his aide says that he has been untraceable for the last 12 days.
प्रोफेसर वीरेंद्र सिंह का मकान है ये?
हाँ जी, मकान है जी।
अच्छा, अभी होंगे क्या प्रोफेसर साहब?
नहीं जी, यहाँ नहीं है।
अच्छा, कोई नहीं है, फैमिली में कोई नहीं है?
नहीं जी।
तो कल तो थे ना यहाँ?
नहीं सर, यहाँ तो है नहीं।
वो कुछ पत्रकार वगैरह भी आए थे, उनसे बातचीत की थी?
नहीं जी, यहाँ तो आप पत्रकार आए थे पर साहब यहाँ नहीं थे।
अच्छा, तो कब गए यहाँ से?
यहाँ से तो सर क्या कहते हैं 10-12 रोज हो गए, यहाँ नहीं है सर।
10-12 रोज से नहीं है
जी।
अच्छा जी, लेकिन अभी परसों या कल या परसों तो मिले थे ना कुछ लोगों से?
मिले होंगे, यहाँ नहीं।
अच्छा जी, तो कोई भी नहीं है?
नहीं सर। कौन सा न्यूज हुआ?
टाइम्स नाउ।
नहीं सर।
कोई नंबर वगैरह कुछ है, कहीं बात कर सकते हैं?
नहीं सर, मेरे पास नंबर नहीं है।
तो कब तक आएंगे?
मालूम नहीं सर।
तो आप अकेले हो?
जी।
Investigation has already been commenced, and we are trying to do an expeditious and fair job in the matter.
My last question, it's a very serious allegation that has been leveled against it. Sedition is something like you cannot put up with it. So where is this investigation standing out as far as where this professor is hiding or whether he is still in Rohtak? Can you verify that?
You see, I can only tell you at this point of time that we've constituted a special investigation team, and we are looking into all aspects of the matter, and we will do an expeditious and fair job in the case. Thank you very much.
Are you aware of the allegations against him that he is supposed to be...
Quite totally false. Only two involved in false cases, and same grounds has been proved against Rajkumar Saini as per Amar Ujala front page. It is very much clear written that Dharmveer MP as well as President of BJP Subhash Barala have said that he has given such statements. Video and clip has been produced.
Yes, in fact, Times Now has accessed certain video clips as well. The BJP claims that the audio clip could unravel a larger conspiracy behind the violence that took place in Haryana. Listen in.
जिस तरीके सर नाउ दी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज पुटिंग अ सेडिशन चार्ज ऑन द फॉर्मर एडवाइजर ऑफ सीएम सर, मिस्टर प्रोफेसर वीरेंद्र, यू आर अ मिनिस्टर इन द गवर्नमेंट सर, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन हरियाणा, यू हेल फ्रॉम द सेम स्टेट.
That is not the question to be answered by me.
No sir, but you are a minister in the Modi cabinet. What has happened in Haryana is like terribly...
That's not the... Now you talk to the concerned authority.
But as a leader of Haryana, you represent people of Haryana.
State government has entirely failed in tackling this.
You represent
state government is to give answers of any of the case which is registered against that so-called, what you call no advisor to former chief minister. That is there. They are to explain. We are not to explain.
But what do you have to say on the situation?
That is what I am saying. I am saying nothing new. So this case is already, there is FIR and whatever.
There are allegations on Congress party and specifically Professor Virender Singh's name is coming to surface.
And
that he tried to incite the faction, he tried to instigate people.
This is not the proper way to tell something to the press. If you really want to know my opinion or my observation, then have a press conference, come to me, I will give you all.
मिनिस्टर अपनी कुर्सी बचाने के लिए सब काम कर रहे हैं. वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री जी को तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, बीजेपी को ले लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से बचकाने हरकती वहाँ की सरकार ने की है, जिसके कारण वहाँ एक तरीके से लूट हुई, कोई आंदोलन नहीं था, वो पूर्णतः लूट है. तो अगर लूट देने की छूट अगर सरकार देगी तो फिर उस सरकार को रहने का कोई औचित्य